Unlocking the Secrets of Job Hunting, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and practical topic, searching for a job. Whether you're a fresh graduate or someone looking to switch careers, understanding this process is crucial. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and how you can approach your job search effectively. Stay with us to unlock the secrets of navigating the job market. Searching for a job refers to the process of actively looking for employment opportunities that match your skills, interests, and career goals. It's not just about finding any job. It's about finding the right job for you. This process can involve various steps, such as preparing your resume, applying for jobs online, networking with professionals in your field, attending job fairs, and going through interviews. Before you start your job search, it's essential to prepare. This means having a well-crafted resume that highlights your skills, experiences, and achievements. You should also prepare a cover letter tailored to each job you apply for, emphasizing why you're a great fit for the position. Lastly, setting up a professional LinkedIn profile can significantly boost your visibility to employers. There are several strategies to make your job search more effective. Online job portals. Websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Monster are great places to start. They allow you to search for jobs by location, industry, and job title. Networking. Connect with professionals in your field. Attend industry meetups, seminars, and workshops. Sometimes, jobs are filled through referrals before they're even advertised. Job fairs. These events can provide opportunities to meet employers face-to-face and learn about job openings. Direct applications. If you have a dream company in mind, visit their website and apply directly through their careers page. Job searching can be a lengthy and sometimes disheartening process. It's important to stay motivated and persistent. Set daily or weekly goals for job applications and networking. Celebrate small victories, like getting an interview. Remember, every application is a step closer to your next job. We hope this guide helps demystify the process of searching for a job. Remember, finding the right job takes time and effort, but with the right approach, you can make your job search more efficient and successful. Keep learning, stay positive, and don't hesitate to ask for help or advice along the way. Good luck, and we're rooting for your success.